Hello friends, welcome back to our Explore You Ever channel. When people think of Saudi Arabian food, they immediately think of the national rice dish, kabsa. But the kingdom's culinary scene is hiding an incredible world of savory street foods, rich comfort dishes, and centuries-old recipes that are trending all over the globe. Today we are diving deeper into the true culinary heartbeat of Saudi Arabia. From bustling historical alleyways to modern city markets, Saudi street food is all about explosive flavors, unique textures, and absolute comfort. Today we are uncovering 3 hidden food secrets that locals absolutely love and every traveler needs to try. So, let's begin our journey. Mutabbaq, the ultimate stuffed street food. We begin with Saudi Arabia's absolute favorite street food snack, mutabbaq. The word mutabbaq literally means folded in Arabic, and that is exactly how this delicious treat is made. It starts with a paper-thin, stretchy dough that is folded into a large square parcel. Inside, it is packed with a savory, juicy mixture of minced meat, whisked eggs, fresh tomatoes, spring onions, and aromatic local spices like cumin and coriander. What makes mutabbaq so special is its incredible texture. It is pan-fried on a massive flat griddle right in front of you until the outside turns into a perfectly flaky, crispy golden crust, while the inside remains soft, hot, and bursting with flavor. Traditionally sliced into bite-sized squares and served with a fresh squeeze of lime and a few green chilies, mutabbaq is the ultimate comfort food. While it is enjoyed year-round in traditional markets from Riyadh to Jeddah, it becomes an absolute sensation during the holy month of Ramadan as a favorite snack to break the fast. Jareesh, the hearty national comfort food. Our next secret is a dish so deeply cherished that it was officially declared a national dish of Saudi Arabia, Jareesh. If you want to experience the soul of traditional Saudi comfort food, Jareesh is the answer. This centuries-old delicacy is made from crushed or coarsely ground wheat that is soaked overnight and then slow-cooked for hours with yogurt, milk, and tender chicken or lamb. The mixture is continually stirred and beaten until it achieves a beautifully thick, velvety, porridge-like consistency. What makes Jareesh truly extraordinary is its unique balance of flavors. The yogurt gives it a subtle, comforting tang, while aromatic spices like cardamom add a gentle warmth. Shakshouka, the Royal Arabian breakfast. Our third culinary treasure takes us to the start of the day with the absolute king of the Saudi breakfast table, Shakshouka. While variations of this dish are loved across the Middle East, the Saudi version has become a legendary morning ritual. Shakshouka is a vibrant one-pan dish featuring gently poached eggs swimming in a rich, simmering sauce of crushed tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, and garlic. The magic lies in the bold seasoning. The tomato base is heavily spiced with cumin, paprika, chili, and fresh coriander, creating a beautiful carnival of sweet, savory, and fiery flavors. Why Saudi street food is special? Saudi Arabian food stands out because it combines simple, honest ingredients with generations of expertise and deep cultural pride. From hidden alleyways in historical towns to bustling modern food trucks, street food is a reflection of Saudi Arabia's everyday life and legendary hospitality. Whether you're biting into a crispy, flaky mutabbaq on a busy street corner, savoring a rich spoonful of traditional Jareesh, or dipping fresh bread into a morning shakshuka, every dish connects you to the heart of the people. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our Explore You Ever channel for more amazing videos about food, countries, and cultures from around the world. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.